Hello everyone, this is Fei Fan Chen. So today I choose option B as my topic for the presentation, which is finding a area relevant to you or someone important to you, where the idea of AI has been used by a person, company, or other organization to threat or harm their privacy. So today the main character is not me, but one of my good friends named Phil, back in the time when I was an undergraduate student. So during my last year of undergraduate studies, Phil was admitted as a new thesis-based master student at electrical engineering. So during our conversation, Phil often expressed his pressure not only because he was new to Canada and facing a level of language barrier. He often told me that he has a hard time fully understand the lecture content and cannot fluently communicate with a classmate. Not only than that, his mentor asked him to be very good at using MATLAB, which is electrical engineering software. And he told me that every student here have some level of understanding and or some level of experience by using MATLAB in their laboratory during the undergrad. And he has no experience at all in his past study back in China. So he was very stressed about that. He's kind of afraid he cannot learn it in a very short period of time. And one day, his mentor assigned him a new project, which was part of a contractual agreement with a local company. He was very concerned that he cannot meet the expectations and feel very overwhelmed. So he came up with the idea of exploring this topic with the help of using ChatGPT and using it trying to assist himself by analyzing the thesis topic. However, just before taking this action, he realized that by doing so, this action can be very risky and irresponsible. So I was very confused why he said that, and he later explained to me that all AI models, just like human brains, they continuously learn and evolving by being fed with new data. So any information put into the model can be used for their training purposes. So if he directly copy and paste the project specification into ChatGPT, or maybe just some other AGI models, this model will memorize the content and continuously learn from it. This action poses huge risk because the confidential information of this project will let out to the AI companies, and he will inadvertently breach the contract with the local company, as this information and technology will no longer remain private. So if this happens, this will not only be viewed as a academic misconduct, but also brought serious legal issues to his team and his mentor. So I wonder how he deal with this eventually, how he solved this problem. Then he told me that he trying very hard to overcome his fear of embarrassment by asking people use his very influent English, and he also constantly seeking help from his senior colleague about his technical difficulties. By doing so, I can feel he become more and more confident after finishing this project, both at communication level and also his research domain, by making the wise decision that he did not take the shortcut from using ChatGPT. So a few months later, I was chit-chat with him and I think about this, and I was asking if you were in that position again, how can you use AI to help yourself and in a safe way that not breaching the contract or leaking any privacy information? So he thought for a while and told me that. So the previous project was about a full bridge circuit. So maybe trying to ask GPT about how to solve a half bridge circuit, which is kind of similar to a full bridge, but still have some fundamental difference. So you can try to see how GPT solve the half bridge problem and understand the thinking mechanism, and trying to find some useful information, and trying by understanding how GPT solved it, you may use that information to help you finish your own project. But all in all, you have to finish everything by yourself. So AI is just a tool. It's not something you can totally rely on and asking to do it for you. That's all. Thank you.